video right here. Boom. Microwave sandwich. Don't listen to the directions. They tell you to put it on the plate like this and just throw it in the microwave. Don't do that. Take it apart. Take your bread out. Little croissants. Break off the sausage. Try to break off that cheese. There we go. Now you just have these. Now what you're gonna do is put this in the microwave for a minute. And if you notice the way microwaves work, the center gets hot and then there's a ring that gets hot. So what you're gonna do is put this in for a minute and then you're gonna flip them over exactly like this so that the opposite side gets cooked. Flip this one over like this for the same reason, opposite side gets cooked. And then you do it for 30 more seconds. While this is in the microwave, the second time you put it in, put the cheese on top. When you take it out, put it for 30 more seconds. Now, while that's going, you want to take the bread, put it in a toaster. Have that going right now. I'm going to toss this in the microwave. Yeah, I'm making a video about microwaving a croissant breakfast sandwich. People don't know. Alright. Now the outside is clearly, the middle right here, the outside is clearly cooler than the middle, so I'm going to take this, flip it over, so that the cold side gets heated up for the second round. Same thing with here. Flip this one over. Then I'm going to grab this delicious looking frozen piece of cheese. There, 30 more seconds. Ooh! Look at that. Evenly cooked. And also, let's pop this out. Hop. There's that crispy croissant. Hop. Oh my gosh. Take this, it's gonna be a little hot. Ah, quick transfer. Woo. Hot. Get that sausage, put it on top to help melt that cheese. It's hot. Get this crispy guy, golly. Now when you put this bread in the microwave, it's all mushy, but this is crispy. That's a crispy boy. Oh. I have no words. Thank you for watching. I can't believe you clicked on this video, but I am glad you did, because you will never microwave one of these breakfast sandwiches the same way again. Show your friends, because this changed my life. Thank you, bye-bye. I'm gonna eat this. Look at that. Oh my god, just the crispy goodness coming off. See that gooey cheese? So gooey. Yummy.